So what I've done this week is I'm going to give you some clay gnome ideas. So if you want to see how I create this video, keep on watching. Hey guys, so this week I wanted to make some clay gnome, but I wanted to create a salto clay and create the clay gnome. So we're going to create our gnome, and we need to have like a hat shape. So why don't we just do this? Okay. And then anything else, because it's the salto, we can sand it down. And I like my hats, just a little bit of funkiness going on, so a little bit. Okay. Make it thick. So a couple of things, let's see. We're gonna put on, why don't we put on the beard first? We'll see what this looks like. It's my first time creating this. Now I'm just going to put the hat on, a little hat portion. Let's see. Aww, oh, so cute. So what I want is for it to tailor off. So I think that, yeah. Then you're going to just cut it down a little bit and tailor it off like that on both sides. And I'm going to put it over the rim so it looks like if it's a little bit more 3D. We're going to press that down. And because it's salto, you can also use water as a glue. Don't use too much water, sorry. There you go. Isn't that cute? Oh, you know what? Okay. Let's, instead of having that wrinkle there, let's just do some. Cone it up a little bit, and then we'll sand it. If you're one of the first to watch my videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to be notified when I upload my posts every Tuesday. So here's the flat gnome. I just colored it because I wanted to see how vibrant it was. Now what I'm going to do is just add some glitter paint. This I got from the dollar store, and it does say glitter paint on there. Okay, so I'm just going to add some glitter shimmer paint on there. It's not like really potent, but, and make sure you poke through your hole. Now, if you wanted to tag me on your projects, I do have my Instagram page where you are able to tag me, or I do have my Facebook page where you are able to upload your different DIY projects. You can check out the link in the description box. Now that you have some good clay gnome ideas, you can check out the video next. If you like this week's video, subscribe to my channel and be sure to hit that bell to be notified. Also, comment down below and share the content with your family and friends. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next week. Take care.